Hey guys, it is Marilyn and I am going to walk you through some of the best things that you can find at Home Depot. So today we're going to look at the tile that they have, and I'm actually quite impressed with what I'm seeing. So here we go. Okay, so these are some fairly basic tiles. You're like, okay, they're fine. You know, there's some marble look tile and all that. Kind of boring. But look at this board. So this here looks like it is a porcelain or a ceramic, and they also have this color. And it is a cement tile look. Now, cement tile can actually be really, really difficult to upkeep. So I am partial to these knockoffs that are actually made out of porcelain or ceramic because they're more durable, easier to keep clean, and look great. Let's see what the price is. So see how up above it shows you it's E44. Here's this one down here, $3.49 a square foot, and it's porcelain. Here's this one down here. Yeah, that's nuts, guys. Seriously, $3.49 per square foot. And that is a good looking floor or wall right there. There's also what looks like a water jet tile. Now, I don't know if this is actually water jet. Water jet is the kind of tile where, you know, they literally cut out the pattern with a water jet, and those are normally, they can be up to like $130 a square foot. And Home Depot has some that look like, where have they been? Where was this years ago? There's a bathroom I'm thinking of right now where we wanted to do a water jet tile and just couldn't make it work with the budget. And this would have been perfect. Let's see, how much is that per square foot? We're looking for F50. Dude, $19.98 per square foot. And it's gonna come like this. So it's actually really easy to install. You're gonna use a non-sanded grout so that it doesn't scratch the glass. So super impressed with that. I'm loving this penny round tile up here, the multicolored dark gray with light gray. And let's see what else. Okay, love. Oh my dear goodness gracious. Look at the greens and the blues. I'm in love with that. I'm already thinking of where in my house I can put that. Oh my goodness. Okay, looking for F7. There it is. And $8 a sheet. Oh my word, I can't. And look, okay, so here we can see it closer up, and it's got this crackle in it. It's stunningly beautiful. What else? What else? This looks like we're into some natural stone. That's really lovely. I do like that one a lot. That's really nice. There's some natural stone arabesque up there. That's nice. Once you start getting into this kind of stuff, you've lost me. That's okay. That arabesque there is okay. These are nice. I like these. These have a nice, like inverted. I've seen the subway tiles that are, you know, pop out, but I've never seen the inverted one before. That's really nice. That is it for today's Depot Dash. If you enjoyed this, please make sure that you hit the like button, give me some love, and comment below. Tell me if you have any requests as far as what you would like for me to review here at Home Depot, and make sure that you are subscribed. I will see you next time, and have a great day.